Hey everybody, Gary V here, and listen up because Kalyan Digital brought me here to drop some serious knowledge. We're diving headfirst into the world of B2B influencer marketing. Let me tell you, this isn't just some fluffy trend, this is the real deal, and if you're not paying attention, you're already behind. Today, we're breaking down how teaming up with the right influencers can completely change the game for your business. We're talking about building your brand, establishing yourself as the authority, and driving those conversions through the roof. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to take some notes, because this is the kind of game-changing information that separates the players from the wannabes. You ready? Let's go. Look, in the B2B world, it's all about trust, right? You need people to see you as the expert, the go-to in your industry. That's where influencers come in. These aren't just people with a bunch of followers. These are thought leaders, experts in their own right. They've spent years building their credibility, their audience, their platform. And when you partner with them, you're tapping into that. Imagine this. You're a SaaS company specializing in project management software. You partner with a productivity guru who swears by your platform. They talk about it, they showcase it, they show their audience how it's transformed their workflow. What happens? Boom! Suddenly you're not just another software company, you're the secret weapon, the tool that everyone needs to up their game. That's the power of influencer marketing. But it's not just about finding someone with a lot of followers. You need the right fit, someone who aligns with your brand, your values, your target audience. That's where the real magic happens. Think about it. Who are your ideal customers already listening to? Who are they learning from? Those are the influencers you need to be talking to. And when you do connect, don't come in with a sales pitch. Build a relationship, provide value. Show them why your brand, your product, your service is something they should be passionate about. Because when an influencer genuinely believes in what you're doing, their enthusiasm becomes contagious. Their audience trusts their recommendations, and that translates into real results for your business. It's not about shortcuts. It's about strategic partnerships that build your reputation and establish you as a leader in your industry. So, are you ready to own your space? Let's face it, in the B2B world, nobody's signing a big contract based on a whim. They need to trust you. They need to know that you can deliver. And that's where influencer marketing becomes a game changer. Think about it. You're a cybersecurity firm. You can tell everyone how great your services are, but does that really resonate? Now imagine a renowned ethical hacker, someone with serious clout in the security world, vouching for your expertise. They talk about your cutting-edge technology, your proactive approach to threat detection. Suddenly, you're not just another vendor. You're the real deal, the company that even the experts trust. That's the power of social proof. When a respected figure in your industry puts their name behind your brand, it instantly elevates your credibility. Their endorsement carries weight, and it tells potential customers, this is a company you can rely on. And here's the thing, authenticity is key. You can't fake this kind of trust. It has to be genuine. That's why finding the right influencers, those who genuinely align with your brand values and your target audience, is crucial. When you have that authentic connection, it shines through. The influencer's endorsement feels organic, natural, and that resonates with their audience. They can tell when someone truly believes in what they're promoting, and that makes all the difference. Building credibility takes time and effort, but influencer marketing can accelerate the process. It's like having a respected colleague vouch for you, introducing you to their network and saying, this company knows what they're doing. So, are you ready to build the kind of credibility that closes deals? Partner with the right influencers and watch your brand's reputation soar. All right, let's talk results. At the end of the day, you need influencer marketing to drive leads and conversions. You need that ROI, right? Well, here's how it happens. When you partner with the right influencers, you're tapping into a pre-built audience, a community that trusts their recommendations. These aren't just random followers, these are potential customers who are already interested in your industry, your niche. Now, imagine that influencer showcasing your product, your service in action. They highlight the benefits, they address pain points, they show how it solves real-world problems. What happens? Their audience takes notice, they start clicking on those links, downloading those resources, engaging with your brand. And that, my friends, is how you generate high-quality leads. But it's not just about throwing up a link and hoping for the best. You need a strategy, you need compelling calls to action, targeted landing pages, and a seamless user experience that guides those leads through the funnel. Think about it. You're a software company that offers a free trial. You partner with an influencer to create a series of videos demonstrating how to get the most out of your platform. At the end of each video, there's a clear call to action. Sign up for your free trial today. See how that works? You're not just generating awareness, you're driving action. You're giving potential customers a taste of what you offer and making it incredibly easy for them to take the next step. And the beauty of influencer marketing is that it's trackable. You can see which campaigns are driving the most traffic, the most conversions. This allows you to refine your strategy, optimize your content, and maximize your ROI. So are you ready to turn buzz into business? Influencer marketing isn't just about vanity metrics, it's about driving tangible results. Partner with the right influencers, create compelling campaigns, and watch the leads roll in. Listen up, because this is crucial. In the crowded B2B landscape, you need to stand out. You need to be unforgettable. You need brand awareness, and influencer marketing can get you there faster than you ever thought possible. Think about it. You're a startup trying to disrupt a well-established industry. You're up against big players with massive marketing budgets. How do you break through the noise? Partner with the right influencers and watch your brand soar. When those influencers champion your brand, when they tell their audience why you matter, it's like having a megaphone amplifying your message to the right people. And it's not just about reach, it's about relevance. When you partner with influencers who resonate with your target audience, you're not just getting your name out there, you're building meaningful connections. Let's say you're a sustainable packaging company. Partnering with an influencer who's passionate about eco-friendly practices amplifies your brand message to an audience that cares about those values. It's about aligning yourself with voices that matter to your target market. Voices that can authentically communicate your brand story and connect with your audience on a deeper level. And here's the best part. Increased brand awareness isn't just about vanity metrics. It's about building a brand that people recognize, trust, and remember. It's about creating a lasting impression that translates into long-term growth. So, are you ready to elevate your brand game? Influencer marketing is your secret weapon to cutting through the noise, reaching the right audience, and making your mark in the B2B world. Partner with the right influencers, amplify your message, and watch your brand awareness reach new heights. There you have it. You've just gotten a masterclass in B2B influencer marketing, courtesy of yours truly and Kalyan Digital. Remember, this isn't just about following trends, it's about strategic partnerships that deliver real results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on B2B marketing. This is the kind of knowledge that can transform your business, so make sure you're using it. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into the types of B2B influencers you should be partnering with. We'll break it down step by step so you can start building those game-changing relationships. See you in the next one.